Hello, it's Mike here at Marinemax Coco, and today I want to go over a 2026 Boston Whaler 150 Montauk. This one is in this very pretty Abaco blue with a classic red striping from Whaler. On the back, we have a 60 horsepower 4-stroke Mercury outboard with command thrust, which allows you to handle and control the boat better in lower speeds, and it gets on plane quicker. It has a 12-gallon removable gas tank that's strapped in for easy access. This boat is available with the lower profile bow and stern rails. It has the JL audio system, and it comes with a Simrad BFD 7-inch screen. This boat also has the fishing package, which gives you the 4 rod holders up on your console and a cooler with a seat. That way you can store all your cold drinks for a nice hot day in the summer. It also has the cushion package. So those times when you want to hit the islands or the sandbar, you've got some cushion up here on the bow. And underneath the cushions is storage. And this one also comes pre-rigged for the trolling motor. This boat also has the bimini top with the boot, and the setup is very simple. This boat is available now here at Marinemax Coco. Stop by and see us.